How to change pickup location in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your pickup location in Uber. Now simply open up your Uber app. You'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is, if you have already booked one, now you can always book by tapping on the rides option here. You can simply tap on where to option, and here you'll be able to select the ride, and you can select here the places, and once you select it you'll be able to request a ride. Now unfortunately here you can see Uber is currently not available in my area, but I'll show you how you can change your pickup location. Once you open up the app, what you want to do is you want to tap on the option there. What you want to do is you want to tap on the edit option that you'll find next to your pickup location. Now once you have booked it, if you open up Uber app, it'll show your booking there, and you'll find the edit option next to your pickup location there. Simply tap on change your pickup and then change your pickup location there. Tap on edit and change your pickup. Once you do it, what you want to do is you want to delete your old one pickup location here. Simply delete it, and then what you want to do is you want to enter your new location there. And once you open your new location, what you want to do is simply tap on it, select it, and confirm your location. And once you do this, tap on confirm to complete your request, and your driver will pick you up at the new location. So this way you can change pickup location in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.